Bros Productions.
Yeah, people, this is the behind the scenes vlog cam. My virgin Quid will take over the cam. Yeah, man, so catch us later. See you guys.
So you don't know, it's about Queen right here, and we're at Margaretville currently, and we're doing a video shoot.
Teflon there.
Yeah, this is the first time I do my video, so look forward to the interview question. We're gonna do it right now.
Yeah, man, behind the scenes.
Right. So it's scary. So it's apparently close to Christmas time. It's a very nice place. Yep, very busy.
Bless up, my brother. You know, say.
Mention the US, man. Mention the US. Say $1 million US. Hey,
Honest opinion. Like, no way would I say no. When we come so.
Hey, still a video, man.
100 million.
100 million, check over it. Go on. You see there? You're a coward. Ooh.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
I hear pigeon.
Singing up, my dog. Man, get your VY place, man. Sweet, sweet Jamaica.
Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Nice of yourself.
Margaretville.
Particular second person because no one wants to really do an interview. AJ just got turned on by a tourist. AJ's trying to get another person. I hope this is gonna be the third person. She's actually a tourist. So. Woo! Very nice. Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. AJ. AJ, how about you get Justina's number? I dare you. I dare you to get Justina's number. AJ! Having a great day? Yeah, she did. AJ and got a nice gist right here. Got another one right here. Ooh. Oh, we're currently on the road right now, going to Dark River Park. As you can see, Ochi is a very lovely place. Really, really lovely place. If you're
She look like fun right now. Straight out of fun.
if you're a tourist, I definitely recommend Ochi for you. Jamaica is the best right now.
Tongue, you know that. You don't say here. You out here wilding.
No, brother, don't bother with your twanging.
Yeah.
Fish and bread me want.
There's a girl, my nigga. Let's go get the girl.
I bet you $30 million in the girl that's a big grown up time. I bet you 15,000 I can get no girl. Road vibes. Subscriber get a sweet. See, this is the sweet you can ever get. And if you're lucky, give you banana chips. Oh, banana chips.
Look at this.
I'm a shy person. Come to Dark River Park. It's a very beautiful place right here. I recommend anyone to take the kids over here. Because they see materialistic things as just a figment of the surroundings, and once it come it'll go. So they understand love is ultimately the force that can cure anything.
No, like still
Well, AJ, we know you're a gold digger already, but I for one am a good youth.
I still keep moving.
So AJ over here is a big gold digger, as you can see. Be a gold him dig.
Yo, the camera butt first.
Nigga. You're catching up. AJ, you're not that bored. No man, me not do that. I mean, I left my woman for me in the law. But AJ, you would have left your woman for me in the law. You would have left me for me in the law.
Got your problem and my relationship now. Why not?
True, man.
You know, I survive.
No, me not these things. Me not these things.
That's the word, man. You don't know same purpose things live and direct, you know. Teflon Dan, you don't know what's going on, man. Teflon Dan. Big up, see? Up and back. Never subscribe, yeah?
Yes. All them suck me. Couples. I mean, no woman. What man, you know?
No.
Not like the couples. I mean single. I make them bets. You never go find one couple over here, sir. Over here, sir, a real couple spot. Couple.
winding down tonight, and it's winding down tonight, and you can see we're still on it. AJ Frost.
Want a girlfriend now. You have to sing to them, man. Be a couple.
You know, voice.
I walk sing to them.
Single man dog. See one ship there? All you have to do is go up on there, you know. So it can't work. Yeah, you one day a single, yeah, a concrete man. Or board. Matter of fact, remember rephrase, steel man. Yeah, man, you're a steel man.
Beats and Bros Production.